Want to know how to improve your code by using Cloud suggestions? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So that if you have a code and if you want to improve it, but through the suggestion of how Cloud works and how it recommends you your actions, this video is for you. So I'm going to give you a prompt and explain you how to do it. So let's get right into it. The first things first is simply towards Claude AI, and you should be under this interface right here. And now once under this interface, you should be seeing this chat box, and I have a program for me right now. Now since I want this to be suggested and maybe improvised by Claude, I can just simply paste this prompt. So you can just see this prompt right here. Improve this Java code like a coding teacher. Your task is to suggest better coding practices, explain why each improvement helps, and explain the logic and keep the logic beginner friendly. So if possible, provide an improved version of the code as well. So you can just simply copy your code or just simply write it above and then say send. Now once you hit send, as you can see right here, Cloud should start working already and you should be good to go. And there you have it. So it should give you a proper suggestion by scanning line by line. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.